The Mario movie. One of the best movies of all time is now available on Redbox and DVD and on demand. And if I was a kid, I would probably watch it every single day. Unless I owned two other movies. The Emperor's New Groove. Humorous, almost like the Mario movie. And it's got memes. Mario movies got humor, adorable, and Easter eggs galore. Emperor's New Groove is hilarious, and all the memes. But there's one movie that I would watch more than Mario movies and Emperor's New Groove. I'm talking about The Legend of Zelda Movie. Now, this is not confirmed by Nintendo, but sources have stated that Nintendo and Illumination and Universal have closed the deal for the Zelda movie. Now, of course, the Nintendo community is a bit concerned with this. Primarily, there's Illumination's history of making, we'll call them child jokes. The Nintendo fans, especially Captain Stormarm, believe that this is not really something they would like to see in a Nintendo movie. A Nintendo game turned movie. But they're not alone. Nintendo, it would seem, also believes in this, as none of this was present in the Mario movie. So Nintendo is likely keeping them in check. But there's also the huge debacle of Illumination animates. Would Zelda be a good movie, animated, or would we like live action? Illumination has touched on a live action movie, but so you have the problem of Zelda would probably be good live action, but would Illumination do a good job live action? Now, of course, Korok, those are going to be animated. And do we really want those either? But there is one major elephant in the room. We'll talk about that later. What I'm talking about is Link speaking. Now, of course, it would be fun to finally have a voice for Link. I mean, all we've had so far is that stuff. And of course, he replies to what NPCs are saying, but we don't get a voice. Maybe we'll finally get a voice for him. But it also ruins the classic feel of it's Link. He doesn't talk. He's a silent protagonist. It's just, oh man. If it happens, we're gonna, I don't know what to say. So I'm gonna drink some coffee. Now about that elephant that you saw a second ago. I'm actually going to hand this over to Leather. I think he's going to do a better job on this than me. I don't say that often, so take it lightly. Thanks, Duck. So, Tuesday, Nintendo surprised everyone with the announcement of a Nintendo Direct on Wednesday. It was surprised us because there was no new game announced previously. All games had already released. Tears of the Kingdom, it was out. I can't think of any other examples, but there were no new games. Then comes along this Direct. And I'll just point out the highlights. 1. Mario RPG Remake. 2. Luigi's Mansion Remake. 3. A teaser for Princess Peach to get her own game. 4. a new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet DLC, 5 Detective Pikachu game, and finally, the closing thing. Super Mario Brothers Wonder. And boy, they have taken Mario 2D to the next level. No pun intended. Oh man. You got foreground, background play. You got Fire Flowers are back. You can play as Mario, Luigi, Yellow Toad, Peach, Daisy, and Yoshi's. The pipes, Inchworm, the world shifts. Mario's got fun new expressions. And of course, what stole the show? Elephant Mario.
Wowie zowie! That Goomba looks so well then.
Get ready for some memes, boys. I mean memes, man. The memes. Oh man. Mario Here's a Who. That's a terrible one. I shouldn't have said that. Okay, Doc. Take this from me before I ruin it more. Thank you, Leather. I'll admit, you did better than I expected, but not better than I hoped. Anyway, that's it for this edition of Nerd Nation News. I don't know what to say. That's it for this edition of Nerd Nation News. Watch this next video. So, we got nothing else for you. Leave a comment if you know something that we missed. Okay? Like and subscribe for more. I don't know what else to tell you. Get out of here. Go. Please. I can't sit here forever. I got stuff to do. I gotta edit this video. I gotta fix my mustache.